In this video, I'll show you how to play Steam games on an external hard drive or SSD. This is perfect if your main drive is running out of space, or if you want to keep your game library on a portable drive you can use across different PCs. The process is quick, built directly into Steam, and only takes a couple of minutes to set up. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to install or move your games to an external drive and launch them just like normal. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Steam and PC gaming tutorials. Now let's get started. First, connect your external hard drive or external SSD to your computer and make sure it appears in your system. Once the drive is connected, open the Steam application on your PC. After Steam opens, look at the top left corner and click on the Steam menu. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. Inside the Settings window, find and click on the Storage section. This area lets you manage where your Steam games are installed. Next, click the Add Drive button. Steam will show a list of available drives connected to your computer. Select your external hard drive or SSD from the list. After selecting it, create a new Steam library folder on that external drive. This folder will become a new location where Steam can store and run your games. Once the library is created, you can install new games directly to that external drive. When installing a game, simply choose the external library location before starting the download. If you already have games installed on your computer, you can also move them. Go to your Steam library, right-click the game, open Properties, go to Installed Files and choose Move Install Folder. Then select the external drive library you just created. Steam will transfer the game files automatically without needing to reinstall the game. After the transfer finishes, you can launch and play the game directly from the external drive, just like any other Steam installation. This is a great way to save space on your main drive while keeping all your games accessible. And that's how to play Steam games on an external hard drive or SSD. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.